Have you ever looked at those rare people who seem to move through life like they've cracked some invisible code? No stress about bills, no chasing quick money, and asked yourself, what do they know that the rest of us don't? The truth is, there's a money rule the top 1% quietly follow, and it's not written in any book, not taught in school, and not even shared on your favorite finance channels. It's hidden in plain sight, but almost no one sees it. Because this rule isn't about saving every penny or investing in the next big thing. It's about how they see money, literally how they treat every dollar that enters their life. Most people think money is earned, spent, and repeated. The 1% see it differently. For them, money isn't currency, it's energy. It's a silent employee that works even when they sleep. They never trade time for money, they trade systems for freedom. Every dollar they make is given a job, a purpose, and that's where everything changes. Let's break this down like a real story. Picture two people. One works 10 hours a day, chasing overtime, saving what's left. The other spends those same hours building a system, a small online store, an investment stream, a digital product. The first feels secure for a while, until expenses rise or health dips or layoffs happen. The second, their system keeps running, quietly earning and growing roots while they sleep. The 1% know that if your money depends on your presence, you don't own it. It owns you. That's why they never aim to earn more. They aim to detach income from labor. Yeah, it sounds simple, but it's brutally hard to live by because this rule requires discipline most people can't maintain. The rich don't think in paychecks. They think in cycles. Every time a dollar hits their account, they split it into 3 invisible streams: growth, security, and flow. Growth means their money multiplies, investments, assets, or businesses. Security means they protect what they already have, insurance, diversification, and low-risk moves. Flow means enjoying life without guilt, because what's the point of money if it doesn't buy time, peace, and choice? The balance between these 3 is what creates their unshakable confidence. It's not luck, it's structure. And here's the catch. The 1% never chase quick returns. They chase control. They study patterns, not predictions. While the average person scrolls social media for the next hot stock or crypto pump, the 1% quietly accumulate power behind boring things: cash flow assets, intellectual property, licensing, and royalties. They build invisible bridges between their skills and someone else's problems, and those bridges become income streams. They know that money hides where attention doesn't go. You see, money loves patience. It avoids chaos. It finds those who act like it's already theirs. The average person panics when markets dip. The 1% buy the dip like they're shopping at a clearance sale. When fear drives others away, they lean in, calm and steady, because they've built systems that don't depend on headlines. Their mindset isn't, how do I make more, but how do I make it keep making? That's the quiet secret. They don't need luck. They just need time. But the most dangerous thing about this rule is that it's invisible. No one announces when they've mastered it. There's no trophy, no viral moment, no public flex, just quiet confidence. You'll see it in how they talk about risk, how they walk away from short-term deals, and how they say no more than yes. It's not arrogance, it's clarity, because they know exactly what their money is supposed to do. They build wealth in silence and let curiosity feed the rest of the world's noise. The irony? Anyone could follow this rule. It doesn't take a genius IQ or elite connections. It takes courage to delay gratification, to keep building while others are showing off. It means ignoring fast money traps and understanding that freedom isn't when you can buy what you want. It's when you no longer need to think about buying it. So, the next time you see someone who seems effortlessly successful, don't assume luck or privilege. Ask yourself, have they learned the rule the rest of the world refuses to follow? Because the real 1% don't just make money, they design it to serve them. And that's the part no one teaches. but everyone secretly wants. Now, here's the twist most people miss. The rule isn't about money. It's about mindset. Once you start thinking like your dollar is a soldier, not a prize, everything shifts. Every expense becomes a strategy. Every risk becomes a calculated bet. You stop chasing wealth and start attracting it. The 1% aren't playing a different game. They're just playing the same one with long-term patience, short-term focus, and emotional control. That's the real code. And maybe, just maybe, the moment you stop asking how to make money and start asking how to make money work for you, you'll quietly join the 1% without even realizing it. No applause, no hype, just peace, power, and a bank account that grows while you're out living life. That's the money rule 1% of people actually follow.